My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Skoda Kodiaq. This vehicle has done just under 72,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which are full black leather. On the steering wheel we have cruise control, voice control, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On our touchscreen we can access SmartLink, Media Command, Skoda Connect, images, sound, air conditioning, settings, radio, media, smartphone integration, navigation, traffic reports and our vehicle settings. If we put it into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC as well as heated seats on either side. The Kodiaq also comes with 5 different driving modes to choose from. So we have individual, snow, eco, normal and sport. As we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.